And welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd make some peanut butter cookies today, and I'm so glad y'all stopped by and make them with me. This is such a good recipe and such an easy recipe. Okay, I'm gonna start with a stick of butter, 1 egg, a half a cup of sugar, a cup of peanut butter, and it can be creamy, crunchy, whatever you like. I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of baking soda and a cup of brown sugar. Alright, I'm going to mix this until it's well creamed. It'll take just a few minutes. I hope y'all are having a good day today. Alright, and then I have a cup and a half of flour. I'm just going to put half at a time. Better go slow or I'm going to get a flour bath. Push down the sides good. Put the rest of that vanilla in there. Okay. This recipe doesn't make a whole lot of cookies, so if you're needing a bunch of cookies, you might want to double this recipe. Alright, let me get y'all over here. But I didn't want a whole lot of cookies, so I just made just one batch. Okay. And they're going to spread a little bit. But I'm going to get me a fork and I'm going to press them down because I like that forked look of it pressed on both on both sides. I like that. But if you're looking for a good cookie recipe and an easy one, this one is it. Let's see, I'll just put 2 back here. Get me a little bit of water so my fork won't stick to the cookies. And I just think that fork design, I just think it's cute. I like to put it in there. And I am gonna come back and I'm gonna sprinkle some sugar. Just because I like that little extra crunch. Doesn't have to be very much. Just a little bit on. Alright, I'm going to cook these on 350-degree oven for, I'll time it at 10 minutes, but 12 minutes to 15 minutes. It depends on how soft or crunchy you want them. Y'all, look at these cookies. Aren't those pretty? Oh, they are so good. I have to tell you, I've already tried one. They are so good. Y'all, this is the best little cookie recipe. They're soft, but they're a little bit more done like I like them. But they are delicious. Thank you for being on my channel. Thank you for making peanut butter cookies with me. Thank you. And if you'd like and subscribe, until the next video.